Olympic gold medal winner Neeraj Chopra on grand reception in Delhi. It feels great to be back home. Tokyo Olympics. The Indian contingent landed in Delhi in the afternoon and will be taken to the Ashoka Hotel now, where the athletes and medal winners will be felicitated. Highlights. Neeraj Chopra led the Indian contingent out of the Delhi airport. Neeraj Chopra said he was very happy to be back home. After his Tokyo 2020 heroics, Neeraj Chopra clinched India's second individual gold medal at the Olympics after winning the javelin final. Tokyo Olympics gold medal winner Neeraj Chopra was mobbed at the Delhi airport by thousands of fans who waited for hours to meet the javelin star as he returned home with nearly 80 other Indian athletes. The Indian contingent landed in Delhi in the afternoon and will be taken to the Ashoka Hotel where the athletes and medal winners will be felicitated. Neeraj Chopra, being the man of the moment, had the biggest crowd around him as compared to the other athletes, but India Today still managed to get in a reaction from independent India's second Olympic gold winner after Abhinav Bindra. It feels great to be back home. I was expecting this, Neeraj told India. Today's Rahul Rawat. Neeraj Chopra's parents, meanwhile, left for Delhi early on Monday morning from Panipat. They were at the airport to welcome their son, India's new national hero. The Indira Gandhi Airport had a festive mood as India's only track and field Olympic champion landed on home soil after scripting history on Saturday. Neeraj Chopra, speaking to India Today, had said he didn't want to spend a lot of time talking to his parents over phone as he wanted plenty of time with them alone in their residence to elaborate them how it felt when he stood on the top of the Olympic podium with the Indian national anthem playing at the National Stadium in Tokyo. I haven't been able to speak with them yet. I don't want to talk to them in a hurry like this. I want to nicely sit down and talk to them. I can't talk to them the way I am talking to all of you, with limited time. I will talk to them with as much time as possible, Neeraj told India Today in Tokyo on Sunday. Neeraj became only the second individual Olympic champion from India. He ended India's 13-year-long wait for the national anthem at the medal ceremony in the Olympics. The 23-year-old from Panipat was at his confident best as he blew the rest of the field away in the men's javelin final.